Now we are on part 52 of our digital marketing journey, and let's continue talking about digital marketing for today's video. Title tags that incorporate numbers often result in higher click-through rates. For example, instead of a title tag that simply states "Learn Digital Marketing," using a number in a tag such as 5 easy ways to learn digital marketing may attract more clicks. Similarly, including questions in meta tags can increase click-through rates. For instance, rather than a generic tag like "Learn the importance of first page rankings," framing it a question like "How to rank number 1 on Google" generates more engagement and resonates with users seeking answers. By crafting descriptive, engaging, and appropriately sized title and meta description tags, you can optimize your content for better search engine visibility and encourage users to click on your links, ultimately driving traffic to your website. Implementing these techniques can lead to higher click-through rates. According to Backlinko, including a keyword in the title tag can improve site ranking. It is also important to incorporate the keyword naturally within the limited 65 characters of the title tag without keyword stuffing. Making the title tag action-oriented, possibly using numbers or posing a question while including the keyword, enhances its effectiveness. Following these SEO best practices and crafting a compelling title tag increases the likelihood of improving search results. When a user clicks on a link, it is essential to have a single H1 tag on the corresponding web page. This H1 tag, ideally containing the keyword, signals to Google that the page is well organized and structured according to best practices. Having multiple H tags in a post further helps in organizing the page. Each header tag should be relevant to the content it represents. For example, in the context of the banana bread recipe with dried figs, the header tag should be California Fig Banana Bread. Incorporating videos into the content is another effective strategy. Videos not only enhance engagement, but also provide a visual break on the page and add credibility when sourced from a third party. Including videos aligns with the principles of high-quality content as discussed earlier, and contributes to achieve higher ranking on Google search. To ensure a hierarchical structure, it is important to use H2 tags to break up the content. Avoid repeating the same H1 tags with the same keyword across different web pages, and make sure that H1 tags are engaging and appropriately used to break up the content. It is crucial to adhere to white hat techniques, avoiding hidden text and keyword stuffing. The H1 tag should be kept within 20 to 70 characters, avoiding excessively long tags. For example, a concise and relevant H1 tag like California Fig Banana Bread works well to break up the content. Remember that all content on the page should aim to answer the user's intent and provide the information they are seeking. Header tags are helpful for Google rankings, as emphasized by John Mueller, a senior webmaster trends analyst at Google. When it comes to URLs, it is recommended to use hyphens instead of underscores. Hyphens should be used to separate words in the URL structure, as seen in the example URL Fig and Banana Bread. Canonical URLs are important for indicating original content to Google, especially when multiple sources exist. Using a favicon URL, which is a small icon, can help enhance the appearance and distinguish your URL. Additionally, incorporating targeted keywords in the URL such as vegan banana bread maintains consistency and natural flow. For URLs that no longer exist, setting up redirects is necessary. A 301 redirect is a server response that informs Google and other search engines that a page is no longer available and has been permanently redirected to a new page. This helps maintain the page's ranking and direct users to the current relevant content. It is also important to include mobile URLs in a sitemap and ensure that all URLs are mobile-friendly and desktop-friendly, following best practices such as keeping them short, using hyphens, and avoiding capital letters. Readable URLs that are easy to understand have a higher chance of ranking well on Google search. Optimizing on-page elements is essential, but we should also consider website-level factors that contribute to optimization and higher rankings on Google search. Having a well-structured site facilitates better crawling for search engine bots. This means organizing your site logically with hierarchical structure that allows Google to find all pages efficiently. For example, if you're selling shoes, your site hierarchy should include categories like men's shoes, women's shoes, and children's shoes. Within each category, you can further divide by brands like Nike, Puma, and Adidas. Balancing the numbers by subcategories within each category is important to maintain a consistent hierarchy. To implement the site structure effectively, it is recommended to code site navigation using CSS or HTML. This ensures that the navigation system is properly implemented and user-friendly. To ensure effective indexing by Google, it is important to build websites using HTML, which is a preferred format for indexing. Additionally, creating a comprehensive structure for internal linking is crucial. Internal links should be natural and strategically placed to guide users from one page to another within the website. Natural internal links help maintain the user flow and avoid artificial inbound links. Website architecture plays a significant role in website optimization. By optimizing the site structure, such as improving the organization and structure of pages, notable improvements in organic sessions and page engagement can be achieved. For instance, John Doherty from Credo witnessed a 74% increase in organic sessions and a 41% increase in pages per session by making changes to the site architecture. Ensuring website security is also vital. Secure websites are preferred by Google over non-secure ones. Implementing SSL certificates and enabling HTTPS protocol for the domain adds an extra layer of security. Google values secure websites and considers HTTPS as a more favorable protocol compared to a non-secure HTTP. Additionally, using HSTS or HTTP Strict Transport Security Protocol enhances security by preventing cookie hijacking. It is highly recommended to enhance website security by obtaining an SSL certificate and transitioning from HTTP to HTTPS. This not only adds multiple layers of security, but also positively impacts your website's ranking on Google. When Google indexes your site and recognizes the secure URLs, it improves your chances of ranking higher in search results. HTTPS is considered a ranking signal, and websites using secure protocols have an advantage in search rankings. Sitemaps play a crucial role in improving website ranking. They serve as an organized compilation of all your website's URLs in a single file. By creating a sitemap, you can prioritize your web pages, inform Google about the frequency of changes, and associate a date stamp with each page. Regularly updating and refreshing your content is important to signal to Google that your website is active. By including canonical versions of URLs in a sitemap, you can specify the original and preferred URLs. For larger websites, it is advisable to build dynamic URL sitemaps. This means that as you add new content such as blog posts, those pages should automatically be included in the sitemap. This ensures that your sitemap remains up to date and accurately represents your website structure. Dynamic sitemaps are recommended as they allow for the inclusion of newly published URLs, resulting in a growing sitemap that Google can index promptly. This ensures that fresh pages are indexed faster. Maintaining and updating sitemaps is crucial, and it is advised to use tools like XML Sitemaps Generator to create sitemaps easily, especially for smaller websites. The sitemap should be placed in the root directory and named sitemap.xml. Informing Google about the sitemap through Search Console is essential to facilitate the indexing process. When creating a sitemap, it is important to include all desired URLs while excluding any non-indexed URLs. By providing Google with a comprehensive sitemap, specifying the frequency of modifications and indicating the importance of each URL, you increase your website's visibility and improve the chances of getting indexed. By efficiently utilizing sitemaps for SEO, you enable Google to index your URLs more quickly and effectively. To optimize click-through rates or CTR for your website, it is beneficial to pay attention to the title tags and meta tags. Including numbers in title tags tends to attract more clicks. For instance, rather than a generic tag like Learn Digital Marketing, using a number such as 5 easy ways to learn digital marketing can be more enticing. Similarly, framing meta tags as questions can increase engagement. Instead of a straightforward tag like Learn the Importance of First Page Rankings, posing it as a question such as How to Rank Number 1 on Google generates more interest. By crafting descriptive and engaging tags within the character limits, you can improve search engine visibility and encourage users to click on your links, driving more traffic to your website. Optimizing on-page elements is crucial, but website-level factors also contribute to high rankings. A well-structured site with a logical hierarchy facilitates efficient crawling by search engine bots. using HTML for site development and recommended for better indexing. Building comprehensive internal linking structures with natural and strategic placements of links guides users from one page to another. Website security is vital, and transitioning from HTTP to HTTPS using SSL certificates enhances security and improves search rankings. Including a sitemap, especially dynamic sitemaps for larger websites, helps prioritize and inform search engines about the frequency of changes. Maintaining an up-to-date sitemap and submitting it to search engines through the Search Console aids in prompt indexing and better visibility. And that ends a part of our discussion about digital marketing. I hope you learned something from today's video. If you like it, please subscribe and click the like button. Also, turn on the notification bell to be notified of future videos like this. Have a great day ahead and stay tuned for part 53.